We would like to present new generation rotating lasers, the Nivel System NL720. The series comprises two models, the NL720R with the red beam and the NL720G with the green beam. The lasers have been designed for demanding tasks and are characterized by high accuracy of 0.72 mm per 10 meters, long operation distance for working over distances up to 700 meters, and a wide range of functionalities. Among them, the possibility of operation with a horizontal plane and a vertical plane. The plane may be tilted in one or two directions. We can also work with the head rotation speed of 800 RPM, which can be used to cooperate with machine control systems. We can also use other functions, like scanning. The device is equipped with a number of smart solutions, among them the function of auto-alignment of the plane with the axis of slope, both horizontally and vertically. In the case of the horizontal plane, we can tilt it and adjust it to the position of the sensor in both one axis and two axes. In the case of the vertical plane, we can align the plane with the set direction. The communication between the laser and the sensor is the radio one. The laser level automatically finds the zero position of the sensor. Thanks to the used radio communication, the remote controller can be used for control over longer distances, as the range is up to 100 meters. All parameters shown on the laser display are also shown on the remote controller display. The NL700 lasers feature the unified system of control and therefore the operation of the whole series. In other words, the NL720 and the NL740 models is similar. The lasers are recommended for all who appreciate innovation and comfort. Therefore, they are in a package with a digital sensor which shows the difference in heights as numbers, in millimeters. The functions are managed in a simple and intuitive manner. We have a clear arrangement of buttons and a big backlit LCD display unit. It is equipped with lithium-ion batteries of high capacity, in other words, 5000 mAh. The NL720 lasers have been designed for demanding tasks on construction sites. The casing is protected with a metal housing, and therefore the most important element of the device, in other words, the laser head, is properly protected. The casing is dust and waterproof, IP65. The electronic compensator installed in the laser effectively manages the vibrations on the site. Before the sale, the equipment is verified and calibrated, which provides the user with 100% certainty as to their measurements on construction sites. We are also provided with a robust carrying case, which ensures safe transport of the laser to the construction site. The Nivel System lasers are covered by maintenance support both during the guarantee period and after its expiry. We run our own authorized service center that provides access to spare parts. We have our own equipment with stock of machine tools, among them Octopus Prime 3D, a specialist collimator for calibration of lasers. All these features enable us to solve any maintenance issues quickly and effectively. If you are looking for a reliable, proven, and above all fail-safe equipment with high operation parameters, then the NL720 model is certainly worth considering. When working outdoors, over long distances, with slopes, or with the need of machine control, choose the model with the red beam. When working indoors with higher visibility of the beam required, select the model with the green beam.